What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about all these drugs. These are what you need as a rabbit farmer. You need all these drugs that are here. So these are the drugs that I just got. I have some of them already, some of the old ones I have, but I got these new ones so I can show you guys, because I'm getting a lot of messages that which kind of drugs will I use for my rabbit. So you guys really need to watch this video to the end, so you learn about all these drugs and you know what to get. So your rabbit, when they fall sick, you will actually know what to do to them, which drug to actually give to them. So I'm going to be talking about all these drugs here. These are mainly like the major drugs you need in your first aid box for your rabbit. These are like the major ones you need. So here I have the Oxcy. I put it in this particular bottle. It is for coccidiosis. You can also use embazine. For the Oxcy is also for coccidiosis. I put it inside this bottle here. You can also use it for I also use embazine for coccidiosis if you didn't see Oxcy. Then this particular one here, okay, let me start from here. This one here is antibiotics. Yes, antibiotics. It works for diarrhea. You can inject your rabbits if they have diarrhea, and if they have a wound on their, like a male that has a wound on its testes, you can inject it this particular antibiotics. As you can see, it's very oily. Yes, as you can see, it's very oily. You can zoom in so that you can actually see it here. It's very, very oily here. So you can inject it to your male that has an issue on his testes, or to your female that has a wound or stuff like that. Then this particular one here is like the major one we really need. This one here is Ivermectin. Yes, Ivermectin is really used, like, in short, it's just one of the major drugs we need for rabbits. Ivermectin cures mange, Ivermectin cures ear canker, Ivermectin cures sore hook. Yes, we need Ivermectin. We really need Ivermectin for our rabbits. So you really need to buy this particular drug here, Ivermectin injection. It comes with a string inside here, and it also comes with an extra drug. I feel like I should send this to one of my subscribers, so that maybe any of you that are just starting up, I can send this to you. So if you need this particular one here, just put a comment. I'll send this particular one. I'll wave it to you. Then it also comes with a needle here and a string, this particular Ivermectin. So it's really, really good for your rabbit. Yes, it's really good for your rabbit. You really need to get this, so that in case you see something like mange on your rabbit, you can actually get this Ivermectin. You inject it 0.3 to 0.5 ml on that particular rabbit. If you see ear canker, you do the same, 0.3 to 0.5. Then if you see sore hook is going to be injected on the thigh. I've already made a video about how you can inject it and how you can actually treat some of these diseases. So this Ivermectin, this particular one here, I want to give it to one of my subscribers. So if you need it, send me a message on the comment section of this video and I'll send it to you. This particular one here is multivitamin. Yeah, this particular one is an injectable multivitamin. Multivitamin is very, very important when it comes to your rabbits here. As you can see, it's in a very big bottle. This is 100 mils. It's in a very big bottle. Yes, this multivitamin is being used maybe if your rabbit does not want to eat. You can just inject it. Even if your rabbit is eating, you can just inject it so that your rabbits can eat more. Yeah, so you can come in and zoom it so you see what it's written there. Yes, this is Ivermectin in multivitamin. So I want you guys to see the pack so that you can actually know what to get. This is actually the pack here of the multivitamin. Is they just wrote the multivitamin injectable solution. Yes, that's just what they wrote there. Then on the Ivermectin pack, they also drew a cow there. You know, it's a livestock injection. It's also used for cows, pigs, goats, and lots more. Yes, so the Ivermectin pack, this is it also. This 50 mils plus 5 mil. This little one here is 5 mil. I'm going to be giving this out to one of you guys. Then this big one here is 50 mil. So if you also want this, maybe if you don't have it in your location, you can still contact me and I'll get them and we strike a deal and I send it to you. This particular one also is Oxcy Super, Oxcy tetracycline. Yes, this tetracycline also works for wound. Maybe your rabbit has a wound, maybe your rabbit is infected. You can also inject it, just like antibiotics. Some of you guys, I will say you don't need these drugs, that you won't get it. I laugh because I just as if saying a human won't take drug. Yes, that's just almost the same thing. As animals, they do fall sick once in a while, and you really need to get it and keep it intact, so that anytime you see any issue in your farm, you can actually take fast action, and you make sure you are able to cure what you have seen there. Yes. So because if you don't get this, maybe a time that you end up seeing that your rabbit has an issue, before you rush to go and buy, or maybe that time there is no shop around or shops have closed, and before they open, it maybe has become too late. So you really need to get all this very, very intact before you get. So all these are going to be in my my first aid box. I'll also be making a video on my first aid box for you guys. I have some of these drugs already. I have some more. I'll be making a comprehensive video on all of them, so that you guys can actually see what I have there. I also have some powdered multivitamin. Here is the liquid multivitamin. Very, very good. So I don't know, I would have loved to inject this particular one to one of the rabbits I had here. I would have loved to inject it so that you guys can actually see. Maybe for those of you guys that don't know how to inject your rabbit, you will actually see. So what I want to tell you guys is that the little rabbits that you have, please don't try to inject them till they are up to like 2 to 3 months before you try injecting them. Don't try to inject those little rabbits till they are like up to 2 to 3 months before you try injecting them. That's what I will advise you guys, so that, you know, as they are still very small, their body is not strong. So when you just get it like this, what you just need to do is take out this cap here. You just have somehow like a cap. You just need to take it out. Then you see a little hole here. Then you just put in your needle. If you put in your needle there, it doesn't make a hole. After putting it and removing it back, it doesn't come out. So it seals back automatically. So we put it in there. And we are going to be taking out 0.3. And we're going to be taking out 0.3. Yes, because I just want to show you guys how to actually inject it. So make sure it's accurate 0.3. Yes, so this is accurate 0.3. So I want to be injecting it into my male. Yeah, so just hold on. Let me get my key and I'll be right back. So this is our male here, and this is our injectable multivitamin that we are going to be giving to it. So what you just want to do is this multivitamin, you don't need to inject it any other places at the neck here, close to the neck here. You just drag it up, then you put in the injection somewhere here. And once you hear the sound of the needle just passes through, you just need to inject. His body is so strong, so you just need to inject. Then that's all. So after you have injected, that's all. You can just inject 0.3 or 0.5 or multivitamin, like you can inject a lot of it. Maybe depends on how the rabbit is eating. If the rabbit isn't eating at all, you can inject up to even 1 meal. It doesn't have like much effect compared to all these other antibiotics like the Ivermectin and this other one here. So multivitamin, you can inject up to 1 meal or 0.5 or 0.3, just how you want it and how the rabbit is actually feeling that particular period. This particular rabbit is eating very well, but I just wanted to inject it so that it can eat more. It's very, very active, so I needed it to eat very, very well so that it can actually do a lot of work. So after done with that, you just need to take out your shrimps here. Then make sure you cover it back. Make sure you cover it back. And before using it next time, try to wash it. Yes, make sure you cover it back. Then put it into your box here. Then you seal it. That's also for the person who needs this, just DM me, then we'll know how I'm going to give it to you so that you can actually have this and see how it works. Yeah, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, please do well to give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment if you want me to do any other videos containing rabbit farming. And for those of you guys that are yet to join our WhatsApp group, we have a WhatsApp group for African rabbit farmers. I'll be dropping the link of the WhatsApp group on the comment section of this video. So if you want the link of that WhatsApp group, just go to the comment section of this video and check for the link. The link will be there. Just join the WhatsApp group. There are a lot of things we are learning there. A lot of big farmers are there, also small farmers, so you can ask your question if you have any question, then there'll be a lot of people there to respond to you, and I'm the only admin in that group, so you can DM me directly from that group. Right from the group, you can just go check for the admin, then you message me directly, then I'll be there to answer your DM. So thank you guys once again. Do well to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and like this video so that when we post another video on rabbit farming, you'll get notified. Thank you once again, and until next time, as I always say, peace out.